Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and what you see here is a doorway with no door. This is the gigantic dollhouse that I bought at the community yard sale recently. I finished the living room. That's where I have those stairs with the shower curtain hooks. And now what I want to do next is I want to work on the foyer, on the entrance. So before I decorate the entrance, I want to work on the door. And as you can see, this house came with no doors. So I was lucky enough that I recently found these at the Goodwill store. I made a video on this, and I believe the video was called Heaven Sent Doors. And the reason why I called it that is because I got so lucky that at a time in which I'm working on a house like this with no doors, I end up finding this. And these are beautiful doors, very quality. And when I matched them to the frame of the door, look at the size. It just fits perfect. It was like it was made for this house. See how it's perfect in there in the frame? So I have to work on that. That's one thing that I'm going to do on the other side of the door and on this side of the door, because right now as you look at it, it doesn't look like a front entrance door. But I'm going to have to work on that. So the next time that you see this, it will be transformed. And we'll look at it from the inside. Now, I already have a plan of how that wall is going to look. That's the wall of the entrance. So that's the decorative paper that I'm going to use right there. So it's going to look something like that, but it's going to look different because the door, something has to change with that door. So this will be my next project, the foyer, the entrance. As you can see right now, nothing is done here. And another plan that I have is I'm going to make a balcony up here. You see those little stairs? Those little stairs go up to the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a little balcony right there. You can see all the way down here, just like in a real home. And on this side, I think I'm going to make a reading area. So stay tuned. I'll be back with more on the foyer. Thanks for watching.